The Creative Media Studio, when it first opened in the fall of 2014, it was primarily a media studio, as in digital media. It had some cameras for checkout, it had a recording studio and 7 computer stations. Since then it has changed, as in we've added DSLR cameras, green screen for checkout, audio equipment, lighting equipment, and Arduinos, and now we started doing 3D printing 3 years ago. It has expanded in a way that it has not only multimedia design to also digital but physical design. The students have abilities of creating something and actually conceptualizing and making it into a physical object with 3D printing.
Another thing that sets us apart is that we have a recording studio inside the area. I'm not sure how many other makerspacers have that available, but the recording studio is also any major can go in and use it, and our students are here to help them get started to use it, even if they don't know anything about audio production or how to record something. The workers here can show them how to use it, and again, it's just for anyone on campus, regardless of your major, and I think that's a really great feature to offer.
Now we just bought 3D scanners and we are looking into entering virtual reality as well. So just expanding what our offerings are so we can meet the needs of pretty much any student with any background, any interest in creativity.
The student assistants being able to help out with any questions that you have depending on the software that you need help with. It's really useful because you don't really get that service anywhere else on campus, and it's free, and you can even check out any of the scheduling for any of this for the student assistants for you to come in.
I spend a large portion of that time 3D modeling things that I can come and print here, and it's just really fun. I look forward to getting the email saying my prints are ready.
CMS has a recording studio. That is somewhere that I was in constantly. I was in the studio a lot making beats and exploring different sounds. That's really a place you can go and get your creativity out in one form or another.
It's interesting. I tell people I have them listen to my music. I'm like, hey, you know I recorded at CISA? I'm like, no way, they're so stoked. Most of the songs I have up on Spotify, all here. And to me, it's like, this is a place where I kind of learn how to record. I mean, it's one thing to learn how to rap, right? But one thing how to learn how to record, how to use audio, how to use, the Pro Tools and all the equipment. So for me, it made a big difference because I was here as much as I could be for however many years, all the time, just learning, and it started to pay off.
The Creative Media Studio is the best place in the library. I come to CMS, and the moment I came here when I was a freshman, everyone has welcomed me with open arms. Everyone's been so nice. So when you ask me how the CMS has impacted me, it's given me a second home.
Before I got into filmmaking, I was a kinesiology major, and when I realized that I can do something with editing, I didn't have the computer software to do that. I didn't have a computer at the moment, so I found out that the library had something called the CMS. So I came here, and all that summer, every day I would just be editing, learning Premiere, the ins and outs, and like I said, that made me more comfortable with me graduating and what I wanted to do in my life. I taught myself how to edit because of CMS. They gave me everything I needed. I would use lynda.com, I would ask people here questions, and I think it honestly helped me become the professional I was. I feel like it was I would come to CMS as another school basically.
Without the CMS, I wouldn't be in the career that I have today. I wouldn't have the knowledge and skill set that I have now. I learned everything from being in there with people and learning from them and getting that time with myself and my projects.
I think the CMS is a really cool place because it's not just a place where you come in and out to rent stuff like a robot. It's very much like everybody likes to talk to each other. There's people that come here every single day just because this is where they feel comfortable being on a college campus. And I feel like it gives people a community. And I know some colleges, some people study in the business, some people study in Manzanita, but here it's it doesn't matter what your major is, you just come hang out because you're cool. You know what I mean? It's no one's gonna judge you, no one's gonna say nothing. Everybody's open to helping out, and I love that about CMS. It's just, you get to learn, play with cool stuff, and meet cool people.